Okay, guys, now this is the lecture number 2. Yes, this is lecture number 2. And now let's talk about the relevant taxes that are examinable. Okay, so this table look a bit heavy, but don't worry, we will break it down in a simple term. Basically, we are looking at who the taxes apply to and whether it is a direct or indirect, whether it is a capital or revenue, and some easy example. Fine. So here is the table. And this, if you see here you will have a taxes, different type of taxes, application, and then you will have direct or indirect and capital and revenue, and then you will have example. Fine. So let's start from the income tax. So first one is income tax. The first one is income tax. So income tax, this applies to the individual people earning from jobs. Okay, people earning from jobs and self-employment or investment. So it's a direct tax because it is taken straight from your income, and it's a revenue tax. It is a direct plus revenue tax. Okay. And why it is direct tax? Because it is taken straight from your income, and it is revenue tax because it is on earning. Okay, so the example here we have your salary is taxed under the pay, and this is a simple example here. The second way is corporation tax that is relevant to the your exam, and that is also corporation tax is also examinable. So here, this tax, corporation tax, applies to the companies on their profit and and gains. So it's also a direct tax because this is also a direct tax, the same way we have discussed like income tax. But here is the twist. It can be both. It can be both revenue and capital. It can be both revenue and capital, depending on whether it is taxing profit or gain. So if it's taxing profit, and if it's taxing your gain, so that will be the scenario you have to judge. So a company profit or tax at the corporate rate. Okay, a company, for example, company profit tax at a corporate rate. Then you will have a capital gain, CGT, capital gain tax. Then we have this capital gain tax. This is for the individual when they sell or get asset at a profit. So it's also a direct tax. It is individual chargeable gain from the sale or gift is, and it's a direct tax. And it is clearly capital tax because it's about gain on asset. So selling shares at a profit, that is CGT payable. Fine. Then you have inherent tax, IHT. Inherent tax is applies to the individual on the capital transfer, like gifts or estate on debt. So it's a direct tax and a capital tax. It is a direct tax, and this one is direct tax and capital. So estate tax when someone dies, 20% on 20% VAT. Okay, so this is related to the VAT. Okay, here. Fine. Now let's talk about VAT, value added tax. This applies to the consumer when they buy goods or services. Okay, when they when they buy goods or services in the UK, including imports. So it is indirect tax because it is charged on spending, not income, and it is neither capital nor revenue. It is neither capital nor you may say like revenue, and this is a 20% weight on electronic purchase, 20% weight on buying electronics. Okay, so this is equally on spending, and this is indirect tax. Then you will have national insurance contribution, national insurance contribution, NIC, and this applies to individual employees, self-employed, and also employers, and it is a direct tax. It is a direct tax, and it is a revenue tax because it is on wages. It is on wages you would account. So what we have understand here, that income tax mean people owning, you have to tax the people owning, corporate tax, corporation tax mean company profit, CGT selling asset, IHT inherent tax, gifts and debt transfer, VAT spending on goods and services, NIC social securities on wages. So these are the taxes that government apply, and these are examinable. You have to be tested on these taxes, so you have to understand. And what are the tricky point you have to understand here? The corporation tax, which are both, and here your weight, which are neither capital nor revenue. Okay, and this is the thing which you have to understand. And what we actually what are the easy memory add here? We have that income tax mean people owning, corporation tax company profit, CGT selling asset, and IHT gift and debt transfer, VAT spending on goods and services, NIC social security on wages. So these all the 6 key taxes are examinable, and now you know exactly who they hit and how they are classified. Okay, and the next lecture we will discuss about income tax. Okay, thank you for watching.